Here's how to consistently generate unlimited traffic for an OnlyFans account using dating apps. All right, so in this video, I have some trusty notes because I'm only human and this shit gets technical, and I'm recording a few videos in a row for this YouTube channel. So it's a lot to store and recall. So I've got some trusty notes here, all right? So how to get unlimited traffic from dating apps. You wanna stick to the main apps and then you can venture off with a third experimental app. So you want to use Tinder and Bumble, no doubt. And then you experiment with a third one, Badoo, OkCupid, Hinge. Just make sure you're using the first two I mentioned, Tinder and Bumble. Secondly, you want a solid conversion funnel. The usual conversion funnel will be something like Tinder and Bumble to Instagram or Snapchat. From there, it will link to the link tree, then the link tree will link to the OnlyFans. That's a pretty standard funnel. Now, because it's a pretty standard funnel, these apps know what you're doing. As soon as you put the @ symbol or an Instagram username or the camera emoji, ghost emoji, boop, flagged, they know what we're doing. So you have to be fucking really clever and really creative when implementing this funnel or putting your username in the bio or not bio. Watermark pictures, anyone? Anyway, point is, you have to be really clever and creative when implementing this funnel. People, I noticed in the comments and Discord and forum and that, I noticed there's a lot of people that maybe think they are looking like a girl when they create these profiles, but they aren't. Now, the number one mistake that a lot of people make is underestimating these apps. They have a lot of money behind them. They didn't start yesterday. They know what we're doing. They have a lot of tech behind them. If you underestimate them and you assume that they're dumb or they won't catch on to something using a camera emoji next to my Instagram username because, haha, I'm not writing it so they won't detect it, then you're gonna go wrong. And you're just gonna waste a lot of money creating all these different dating app accounts, just getting banned one after the other. And then it gets costly, especially if using proxies and stuff like that. Personally, we use iPhones, but that's a whole nother video. Now, next, you want to set up multiple accounts in anticipation of account bans. So what you want to do is you want to set up a system so that once an account gets banned, because it will get banned, you want to set up a system so that when one goes down, you have the system dialed in, ready to go, boop, create next one, warm up 48 hours, boom, input funnel, boom, start the swiping, start the matching, and then you're on your merry way. That is a part of it. That is a part of generating traffic from dating apps. It is creating a system that can constantly replenish the dating apps when they get banned. Now, how long they last depends on how good your system is. With mine and my iPhone method, they last at least 30 days. A lot of people go, yeah, they don't. Well, if you don't believe me, I made an account on an iPhone live on a YouTube channel, YouTube video, you can go check it. So then you want to create and document the way of easily creating new accounts, because as you will find out, if you haven't found out already, is that this is fucking complicated dating apps. That's why I got these notes in front of me. It is complicated. This is actually why I love it. It is complicated. You gotta learn how to get clever. You gotta learn how to get around them finding out while still generating traffic. So when you find a system that is solid, you wanna document it. For example, if you're balls deep in your work, I don't know, you're with setting up your second model, I don't know, you're scheduling content, you're setting up the Reddit account, you're setting up TikTok accounts, whatever. My point is, when you're not working with dating apps for a while, it's easy to forget how you set them up. So you want to create and document a solid way to create more accounts that will generate traffic when they inevitably gets banned. That's what I did. Then I realized, hey, I've got fucking a lot of documents here. Maybe I could leverage it. Maybe I could sell it, create a forum, create a Discord. That was as a result of me taking fucking shitload of notes because I was scared of forgetting stuff. And I was like, hey, I'm seeing a lot of material here. Might as well show other people how to use it. Boom. As I said, account banning is inevitable. It is inevitable for several reasons. Eventually, the apps will click on. They'll go, hang on, we're detecting a lot of people leaving our app after interacting with this person, because they can detect that. That's not hard. They can detect when a lot of people message you or look at your profile and then they close the app and go on something else. They can detect that, no worries. But another reason is you're gonna have losers report the account. They're gonna swipe and match with you, fall in love. Oh man, I can't wait to talk to this girl. Oh, she's gorgeous. Oh, she's got an Instagram. Oh, okay, sweet. Go on Instagram. Oh, Linktree. Oh, I know it. Yeah, she was only, well. And then they'll just report it. It's gonna happen. This is why you need a solid method to continuously create new ones. Now, what do I have here on the notes? Account creation system, create and document away. Already said that. Oh yeah, and then it goes into how to do it. That's a whole nother thing. I'm not going to go into how to create these accounts and removing metadata and iPhones. Well, I added this down here, but that's a whole nother video. I've already been rambling on for too long, right? So that's it. Make sure you do those things to generate unlimited traffic to OnlyFans accounts. This doesn't just mean coming up with a few accounts and they start generating traffic and then boom, done. I'm done. Right, let's move on to Reddit. No, this whole method includes a solid system that is dialed in for continuously pumping out these profiles. That is included in it. Otherwise, you're not going to get very far. Right? So if you want to know exactly how to do this and the exact funnel we use, which is pretty clever, join my Discord via the link below. And there's a lot in there. There's methods, tools, templates, contract templates, scripts. It's fucking heaps in there for a Discord. And if you like the video, go smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one.